Alrighty guys, so we're going to do an example, okay? So we're going to use our quadratic formula. We're going to use our a, b, and c written in standard form. So here is our example number 1. I'm going to give you the function f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Alrighty, so first I want us to label what is a, what is b, and what is c. Our a is our first number in front of our x squared, so that's 2. Our b is the number in front of just the plain x, which is 3. And our c is that constant that's there, negative 5. And all you have to do, I'll move this up so we can see the formula. We're just going to follow the exact positions of all of these numbers, but b's and a's and c's. We're just going to put in a 2 and a 3 and a negative 5 where it goes. So here's x equals, well, the opposite of b is 3, so that's b negative 3 over 2 times 2. We're going to have a plus and a minus because we have two solutions. Square root b squared, which is 3 squared. We are subtracting 4 times our a, which is 2, and times negative 5, which is c. Then that square root will be also divided by 2 times our a, which is 2. Okay, right now you should never leave your answer that way, so we're going to simplify. We're going to have x equals negative 3 over 4 plus or minus the square root. 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. But then negative 8 times negative 5, that will become positive. And we are adding 40. And that is over 4. Okay? Just be sure that your square root, like your fraction, this 4, is not in the square root. It is just in the denominator. Okay? So if we keep simplifying, we're going to get that x is equal to, negative 3/4 plus or minus the square root of 49 over 4. Well, hey, what's the square root of 49? You should know that. That's a square number. Square root of 49 is 7. 7 over 4. Okay? Keep in mind that once you take the square root of 49, the square root symbol goes away and we're just left with 7. Yeah? Both of these have the same denominator, so I'm going to combine them just like fractions. So I have negative 3 plus 7 over 4, and I also have x is equal to negative 3 minus 7 over 4. So we just need to figure out what these are. We're going to simplify even more. Negative 3 plus 7, 4 over 4. Oh, that's 1. And then we have negative 3 minus 7.